Okay, Nana. So next thing, types of immunoglobulins. Already told you, depending upon the type of heavy chains, amino acid sequence, there are majorly 5 types of immunoglobulins. What are they? IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD and IgE. So first we have to learn about the IgG, immunoglobulin, gamma immunoglobulin. They are called as the gamma immunoglobulins. So if you see them, this is the IgG is the most common immunoglobulin seen in the serum. This is very important point, Nana, for your PG entrances also. Mind it. IgG is the most common antibody or most common immunoglobulin which is seen in the serum. That it comprises about 80% of the total immunoglobulins present in our body. మన శరీరంలో ఉన్న అన్ని ఇమ్యునోగ్లోబులిన్స్ లోకి 80% ఆఫ్ ఇమ్యునోగ్లోబులిన్స్ కూడా IgG టైపే ఉంటాయి. సో మనకి లైట్ చైన్స్ లో చూసినట్లయితే 60 to 70% ఆఫ్ ఇమ్యునోగ్లోబులిన్స్ ఆర్ కప్పా టైప్ లైట్ చైన్స్ లో చూస్తే. హెవీ చైన్స్ లో చూస్తే మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇమ్యునోగ్లోబులిన్స్ ఆర్ 80% ఆఫ్ ఇమ్యునోగ్లోబులిన్స్ ఆర్ IgG type which are seen in the serum. Okay, Nana? And the next thing, what is their molecular weight? So 1,50,000 Daltons is its molecular weight. And one more very special property of the immunoglobulin is it will cross the placenta. The only one antibody which will cross the placenta. That means it transfers from mother to the fetus and it provides the immunity to the fetus. That is only the IgG antibody. This is also a very important bit, Nana. The only immunoglobulin which will cross the placenta and reaches the fetus, it is the IgG immunoglobulin, right? And the next thing, monomer. What is this monomer? Means the immunoglobulin that has the capacity. It has only one immunoglobulin molecule in its structure. It is called as the monomer. If it has 2 molecules, it is known as the dimer, right? And next one is the valency. Its valency is 2. What is the valency? Means an antibody or immunoglobulin which will binds with how many number of antigens? It is its valency. Ante oka antibody ఎన్ని యాంటీజెన్స్ తోటి బైండ్ అవ్వగలదు అనేదే ఆ యాంటీబాడీ యొక్క వాలెన్సీ. ఓకేనా? సో ద వాలెన్సీ ఆఫ్ సింగిల్ మోనోమర్ యాంటీబాడీ ఈస్ 2. ఒక మోనోమర్ యాంటీబాడీ యొక్క వాలెన్సీ ఎంతనా? 2 ఉంటుంది. అదే డైమర్కి అయితే, డైమర్ మీన్స్ లైక్ దిస్, ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది మీకు IgGలో. So ikkada chudandi, this is dimer, means these antibodies or immunoglobulins has 2 molecules. What it will happen? It has 2 valency and it has 2 valency. This is called as the dimer. So for the dimer the valency is 4. For the monomer the valency is 2. Okay, Nana? Once again I am repeating you, IgG antibody, it is known as the gamma immunoglobulins. Immunoglobulin, IgG immunoglobulin, it is the most common immunoglobulin which is seen in our human body serum, and 80% of the human body immunoglobulins are IgG type only, and it has the molecular weight of 1,50,000 Daltons, and the only immunoglobulin which will cross the placenta is IgG immunoglobulin, and it is monomer, that it has only one molecule, and its valency is 2. And what about this 1, 2, 3, 4? So these IgG immunoglobulins are of again 4 types, Nana, subtypes: IgG1, IgG2, IgG3 and IgG4. Okay, Nana, this is a very brief description about the IgG immunoglobulins. Next, go for the IgA. What are the IgA immunoglobulins? Alpha. IgA immunoglobulins means alpha immunoglobulins. What are these IgA immunoglobulins and what is its importance? Let us know. So these IgA immunoglobulins will provide immunity to our mucus lining of the whole body. అంటే మన శరీరంలో మ్యూకస్ లేయర్ ఎక్కడెక్కడైతే ఉందో అన్ని ఏరియాస్ లో ప్రొటెక్షన్ గా ఈ యాంటీబాడీస్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి నాన్న. You know that in the all openings of a human body there is must be a mucus layer protection. Just observe your mouth and nose. These are the two best examples, and also your eyes. These has the mucus layers. Eyes has a tears and also mucus layer, and your nose and mouth also has a mucus layers. So these will provide immunity to the respiratory systems, gastrointestinal systems and all the mucus systems. So ఈ mucus layer దగ్గర ఈ antibodies అనేవి or immunoglobulins అనేవి అక్కడ stay చేసి whenever an pathogen or foreign substance will enters through the oral or nasal cavities or eyes or any reproductive organs, through any reproductive organs, they will immediately fight with that pathogen. So మనకు తెలుసు కదా నాన్న, మనం ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఆర్మీని ఎక్కడ పెడతాం నాన్న? So దేశ సరిహద్దుల్లో. Just like that, these are the first line of front line warriors for our body. These will stay at a mucus membrane and they will fight with the pathogen which is trying to enter our body through the mucus layers. Okay, and the next thing, so these are comprises about 13% of the total immunoglobulins and its molecular weight is 60,000 Daltons. And the next one, so etla aithe IgG ki oka speciality undi entadi, it will cross the placenta. Atle it has some another speciality. IgA has a speciality that is it was enters into the newborn baby through colostrum. You know that colostrum is the first milk secreted by the mother immediately after delivery. After giving birth to the newborn, mother secretes a milk which is called as the colostrum. It contains IgA antibody ఉంటుంది నాన్న. ఎందుకు అనంటే ఎప్పుడైతే when the newborn comes into the world, it don't have any type of any sort of immune power. So whenever it comes to the world, immediately it have to fight with the environment, right? So it has to survive in this environment, means it has to struggle with the environment. It must be ready. For that ready and for that protection, these IgA antibodies enters into the baby through the colostrum. So colostrum is very important, right? So these will gives the gut protection to the gut healthiness. Gut means our intestinal system ki mana edaithe intestinal system loki immediate ga vachetvanti organisms అనేవి మేబీ pathogenic గా ఉండొచ్చు. న్యూ బోర్న్ బేబీకి అవి డిసీజెస్ ని కలుగజేయచ్చు or gastroenteritis ని కలుగజేయచ్చు. So for that cases, these colostrum and IgA antibody is very helpful. So they will fight with the gut pathogens which are entered immediately into the newborn baby after birth. So this IgA is present in the colostrum and it gives the gut health. This is the very short thing, right? So IgA present in the colostrum, and enduku andi IgA colostrum lo undi em chestundi ante it gives gut health to the newborn babies. Okay nana. And the next thing is chudandi, so it has two molecules. It may appears in a monomer sometimes and it may also appear as a dimer. So ultimately we valency ni lekkeyochu. If it is monomer, its valency is 2. If it is dimer, I already told you, right? If it is dimer, its valency is 4. This is the matter about IgG and IgA nana. This is very brief explanation. If you don't mind, please read properly. It is very important to you nana.